brainstorming with subtraction. Two solid examples are there, so you have to go through it. Exercise C, page number 96. See, the cost of a motorcycle is 49,137 and that of car is 2,15,000. How much more does the car cost than motorcycle? See, cost of a motorcycle. You have to write in a sentence the cost of a motorcycle. Write this number with the symbol, rupee symbol. That of car means the cost of a car, 2,15,000 rupees. How much more does a car cost than motorcycle? ಮೋಟರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಕಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ 2,15,000 ಮೈನಸ್ 49,137 ಈ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಪಡಿಬೋದು. Alan has 8 lakh rupees with him. He buys a plot for 7,62,000. How much money he has now? So he had 8 lakh. 7,62,000 he spent for plot. The amount of money Alan had 8 lakh rupees. The amount he spent for a plot. This is the money remained with him. When you subtract 8 lakh, subtract 7,62,000 from 8 lakh, we will get the remaining money. Find the difference between the smallest 6-digit number and greatest 5-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number, one lakh. We have to find the difference. Greatest 5-digit number, 99999. So 1 lakh minus 99,999, we will get only 1. That is difference. 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay. Rahul bought a house for 3,95,564 and sold it for 4,26,343. How much more money did he get? So he bought a house for this. The amount he spent for a house, amount he spent to buy a house, 3,95,564. He sold it for 4,26,000. It is more than this. So he got a profit. How much more money? The amount of money he got. So this number from this. Subtract this number from this. What should be added to this to make this? Subtract this number from this. The population of village in 2014 was 78,392 and in 2015 it is 1,32,586. Find the increase in population. The population of village in 2014. This is population in 2015. This is the increase in the population, the amount of increase. So subtract this number from this. The population of a town almost the same. From 85,354 meter long wire, a piece of length 1,700 meter was cut off. Find the length of the remaining wire. So subtract this 1,700 meter from 85,354. So for these problems you must write the unit without missing meter. The total length of the wire, the length of the wire which was cut off, the remaining length of the wire, what should be added? So this type of problems already we have solved. The shopkeeper had 96,875 kg sugar in stock. He sold out 50,354 kg. So, the quantity of sugar a shopkeeper had, this is. The quantity of sugar was sold, this is. How much sugar left, remaining after selling. So, subtract this 50,354 minus 96,875. So, the number you will get, you write in terms of kg. And next, there are 81,753 computers of one kind, 29,372 computers of second kind, and 1,09,317 computers of third kind in an electronic shop. If 78,354 computers are sold out, then find the number of computers left in the shop. So, what kind of computers were sold, we don't know. So, you have to add these three, you will get the sum. Subtract the 78,354 from that sum. You ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. You will get the sum. So, ಈ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಆ ಮೊತ್ತದಿಂದ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. How much more is the sum of this and this 1,354 and 60,000 than the difference of 85,630 and 7,000? ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಮೊತ್ತ ಸಮ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಮೊತ್ತ than the difference of this. Let me do this. 1,354 plus 60,000. You have to find the sum. And in other side, 85,630 minus 7,000. So, you have to find the difference here. You have to find the sum here. This is sum. Say 4, 5, 3, 0, 6, 1. 1,60,354. Here, when you subtract 0, 3, 6, 8, 7. This number is how much more than this? It means 1,60,354 minus 78,630. ಈ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಳೆದ. So we have to subtract 78,630. We got when we subtract this from this. So we have to subtract this number from the sum of these two numbers. That is 1,60,354. We will get 34 minus 7. It is, see, 3 minus 6 not possible, so we have to borrow from the next place. So we have to be borrowed from here. It is not 0, it is 9. 9 minus 8, 1. It is not 6, it is 5. 5 minus 7 not possible. 15 minus 7, 8. Because 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 81,754. Ahmad deposited 2,19,348 in a bank and withdraw 98,173. Find the balance money in his account. Very clear, the amount of money deposited by Ahmad, the amount of money withdrawn, this is the remaining balance. Subtract this number from this. The sales of the electronic showroom on 3 days is as follows: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So find the difference between the sum of the sales of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You have to add this. Find the difference between the sum of the sales on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Monday and Tuesday you have to add, because you have to find the sum of the sales on Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday you have to add this number, and we have to find the difference between this sum and this. First thing, you have to add this. We will get the sum. Subtract this Wednesday sale. So 62,851. Subtract from this sum. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಬರುವ ಮೊತ್ತದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. How much more did he earn on Wednesday than on Monday? ಮಂಡೇಗಿಂತ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ 41,957 minus 62,851 minus 41,957. We will get the how much more did he earn on Wednesday than Monday. So here next, the money he has if on Thursday he bought goods worth 63,413 on Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I mean total. You have to add this. See, it is Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is given. The money he has if on Thursday he bought goods worth 63,417. You have to add all these three. We will get the sum. You ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಬರುವಂಥ ಮೊತ್ತದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. Because the amount he spent to buy goods. If the cost of a computer is 51,937 and that of a photocopying machine is 61,219, find the sum of the cost of two articles. So you have to add this. Sum means the total. Also find the difference between the cost of two articles. ಅವೆರಡರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 61,219 minus 51,937. Find the difference between the greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. 9,999 and smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. 10,000 minus 9,999. Now find the difference between greatest 5-digit number and the sum of the smallest 5-digit number and greatest 4-digit number. Difference between greatest 5-digit number 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number, and sum of the smallest 5-digit number, it is smallest 5-digit number and greatest 4-digit number. So when we add this 99,991, 19,999, we have to subtract this 19,999 from 99,999. You have to subtract this sum from this. Subtract 0, 0, 9 minus 1, 0, 9 minus 1, 0, 9 minus 1, 8,000. Jack had 1,98,112. He bought a motorcycle for 51,217, a CD player for 14,518, a computer for 41,233. He spent 825 on transportation. Find the remaining balance with him. The amount of money a Jack had, 1,98,112. So the amount he spent for motorcycle, to buy a motorcycle, the amount he spent for a CD player, the amount he spent for a computer, amount he spent for transportation, therefore the remaining amount. You have to add the expenditures. See, this is and this. You have to add all these expenses and subtract the sum. ಅವನು ಏನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಳಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1,98,112. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, more to do, very easy. Choose the correct answer, subtract in a rough book and choose the right one. Add this, sorry, here, yes, you have to add this 1,51,327 plus 41,938 is equal to, you will get the sum. So subtract this number from the sum, you will get the number to be added to this number here. A company manufactured 2,13,596 tables. If 16,539 of them were not suitable to use, then the tables left to be used. Subtract. Which number less than this? So subtract clearly. So you will get more to do. Choose the correct answer. Which digit should come in the given box? The problem is not given, so I think it is skipped. What must be added to this to get this number? Subtract this number from this. The number of subtrahend number to be subtracted from the given greater number is called to be subtracted, that is subtrahend. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಕಳಿತೇವೆ ಅದು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಹೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಕಳಿತೇವೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಗಿವನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಮಿನ್ಯುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಹೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ minus 78,951 is equal to 3,77,000. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಳೆದಾಗ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 78,951 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಈ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಜಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ 48,000. he gave 5,000 to his daughter. What is the amount left with him? Subtract this 5,000 from this. The amount of money Vijay had, the amount he gave to his daughter, the remaining amount. Can you subtract this 4,978 from 6,777 without borrowing? No, because in the one's place there is 8, here there is 7. So we have to borrow. If not, why? Because 8 is greater than 7, so we cannot subtract 8 from 7. So in this way you can give the justification. That's it.